Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we will show you how to disable Credential Guard on Windows 10 using a simple and effective registry method. Step 1. Open the Start menu, type Regedit, and press Enter. This opens the Registry Editor, which is a built-in Windows tool used to manage system-level settings that control advanced security features like Credential Guard. Step 2. Navigate to HK Local Machine, then open System, CurrentControlSet, Control, and finally Device Guard. This location contains the main settings related to Windows security and virtualization-based protection. Step 3. Find Enable Virtualization-Based Security and double-click on it. Change its value to 0, which disables virtualization-based security, an important requirement for turning off Credential Guard. Step 4. Now go to HKI Local Machine, then System, CurrentControlSet, Control, and open the LSA folder. Double-click LsaCfgFlags and set its value to 0, as this setting directly controls the Credential Guard feature in Windows. Step 5. Close the Registry Editor and restart your PC. Restarting is necessary because the changes only take effect after Windows reloads the updated security configuration. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows troubleshooting videos.